Some companies really just want to work with the books. With Eide Bailly, we have really had interactions with several different departments, helping us manage different issues that have really helped our company. Kenco is a third-generation, family-held manufacturing business. We are focused on mechanical process instrumentation, primarily for oil and gas, but also we have applications in water and waste treatment, pulp and paper, and power, and other industries as well. As a family-owned manufacturing business, we have some advantages over other companies just from our structure. We have several family members that contribute in various roles across the company. When the company gets in your blood, whether you're a family member or just a longtime employee, you really feel a bond here.
We really held the principles that my grandfather, who founded the company, the principles that were super important to him, and it was always the quality of the product has to be top. Your pricing has to always be competitive. Your delivery times have to be really good. And then customer service, which is really, I think, the kind of the top of the pyramid. Those four core fundamental things that are still a major part of this company and the way we operate are just super important.
In the last 5 years, we have made significant operational changes from some of the consulting that we have received from Eide Bailly as they have understood our business and what our goals were, and understanding how the laws are structured and how we could benefit. We have used Eide Bailly to help us navigate some of those challenges, from navigating tax laws to finding more efficient methods, getting better software, all of the things that helps us survive and navigate a changing business environment. We appreciate Eide Bailly helping us find new ways to grow our business.